So here's our little update on the project that I've been doing in front of the house. Again, I'm sorry, I'm so bad at recording my work. Um, but as I mentioned before, in the beginning we decided, and I mentioned I have St. Augustine grass and it's really hard to get out. Um, Renting a machine wouldn't be a problem to get the sod out, but the thing is that it's extremely heavy and we're doing this ourselves, a DIY project. So I decided to put cardboard to kill the grass and then lay the rocks on top of the cardboard, which made them a little wobbly. But I know it will be fine. You'll go down eventually, the grass will die and it will settle. But some people might say, oh, you're doing it the wrong way. You do it your way, whatever works. So whatever is easier, that's the way you do it. But my husband decided for the second part of this pathway to lay just so it's not as wobbly. So we took some of the grass out, just cut it very short, and then we laid gravel, which made it a little bit more sturdier. And this is how it's looking right now. I promised I was going to show you how I laid them out, but I don't have a tripod to put my phone on and lay it there on the uh, lay it there and or have somebody record it for me. So on my spare time, when I have a little time, I come out here and then I do a couple of blocks at a time. The other day I placed a bunch of them, but it was extremely hot, so had no patience to do a recording. But this is how it's looking. Hope it can help you guys out, you know, at least a little bit. You can see that you can do it yourself. It's really easy, you know, just put a little bit of hard work and you'll be fine. So here's a little what do you call it? A little update on how it's looking. So like I mentioned, right here I had placed cardboard to kill the grass, and it's already a lot more sturdier than it was before. So this whole area here, I laid the cardboard and then just placed the rocks. Well, just make the design you want in the front. So this whole area I had done cardboard just for the purpose of being easier. We taken the St. Augustine out in the back of our house, and it was just extremely hard. And this is the new part of the pathway that we just placed. So as you can see, we took some of the grass out. This will die eventually. We're not worried about it, but it's a lot sturdier. It doesn't move like the other one. But this is how it's looking. And I just have a little bit more to finish. I just came home. As you can see, my purse is right there, and I said, let me just lay a couple of more bricks or step stones. And I said to myself, let me do a recording of this. So this is how the project is looking. Again, we're gonna add trees here, a tree there, and some shrubs, and I am not taking the St. Augustine grass out. So I'm gonna lay cardboard, let it decompose, and go down, feed the soil, and it will be the easiest way to get rid of this grass. And almost the most environmental friendly, other than, you know, throwing like a pesticide to kill the grass or something like that. So this is how it's looking. We're getting there. I'm gonna finish this part here. I'm gonna show you how to do a set of bricks, and hopefully you'll be inspired to do the same.